Ngayon ba? Birthday niyan? Suddenly appear. Happy birthday, Alvin Paredes. Yan. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you, Jeline, for the ice cream. Lucky? Lucky daw, lucky. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Yung ba yun? Musika ba tayo na yan? Hi, Sweden!
Ano ba yung alam natin kanta namin nakapala?
Belated happy birthday, fan! Last song syndrome. Ano yung last song? Thank you, Lois. Thank you, Sheila. Thank you, I. Kung sakaling mawala, pabalik kita, tingapin ako mo.
Tapos na ako maligo, Boy, alam mo, Joey, o ano yung katangahan itong ginawa mo?
Wala. What?
Mali yung binili kong shampoo ng hindi. Hindi conditioner. Huwag kang makakati ng lagay. Puta ka na.
Lasok natin.
Bad trip. Pwede ba i-swap yun? Swap mo nga din sa viewers mo.
Anong ano mo? Gusto mo?
Yung kailangan pa natin lagi. Si 7-Eleven, tugtog na natin. Yung pinaka-closing time natin.
Oo, ano.
May pinaka-closing time tayo.
Alam ko, ride home kasi yung closing natin.
Hindi, meron pa yung paalam, may paalam. May babay.
Babay?
O yung meron tayong...
Boy, kanta nga tayo, Rico Blanco.
Sige. Iniwan ka na ng eroplano.
De. Miss ko na si Rico.
Kumanap tayo ng Rico Blanco kanina. Your Universe. Huwag mong aminin kung huwag mong aminin.
Magbabalik ang puso mo.
Balisong, pare.
English to, di ba?
Litrato kaya? Litrato, mana.
Losing my life, ready to be for sure.
Mahirap eh.
O, sige, okay.
Yung ano
face, da-da-di-da-di-do, one way.
Okay na lang. Guys, last song guys is Sir Louie. Sir OG.
Jane, gano'n na?
Guys. This is 214. Which means, ano meaning nun? Totoo ba ako?
Hindi.
Am I real?
Hindi.
Yun.
Hindi. Hindi sinabi na ni Sharigo yung sa vlog niya.
Yun nga yun, di ba
Hindi,
yun?
am I real? Hindi. Hindi talaga yung hindi yung am I real.
Nakalimutan ko din eh.
Pero meron, di ba? One for meaning by...
Oo, di ba? May rin.
Hindi.
Alam ko yun yung sinabi niya.
Someone is forever chance. Hindi. Nilinaw niya yan sa vlog niya.
Oo nga eh.
Am I real daw ba?
Nagsakto nga lang daw doon.
Sa am I real?
Oo.
Pero hindi nga yung am I real yun. Di ba? Tignan mo.
I'm a real.
Yan.
21 minutes
eh.
Guys, panoorin niyo yung vlog ni Sir Rico.
Oo.
Kung ano meaning ng 214. Balikan niyo ako. I'm a real.
1, 2, 3. Teka. Am I real? Ayan.
I'm a real. May vocalization
I speak before.
Baba.
Am I real?
I'm a real.
The words I speak before you make me feel. Yeah.
That the love I have for you.
Gusto ba taas natin?
Am I real? Ito.
Yan.
Am I real? The words I speak before you make me feel that the love I have for you will see no ending. But when I look into my eyes, then you should know that there's nothing here to doubt or to fear. And you lay your questions down, 'cause if you hold me, we can put it to the night, and you'll know the world could die, and everything may lie, so you shouldn't cry. Cause I may pass, but when it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Serious. Take my hand and gently close your eyes so you could understand that there's no greater love tonight for you. Yeah. Will it be the same before we then let go? We can journey to a God that no one knows. Life is short, my darling, tell me that you love me.
Tetris daw.
We can get to the night and you know the world could die. Burm, saka na. And everything may die, so you shouldn't cry.
Yan, tapusin mo man yung gigitan.
Luis ah.
Cause time may pass, the longing is nice, I'll be by your side, forever by your side.
Yay! Yeah.
Guys, give it up for Sir OG, guys.
Closing time. Ano ba yun? Closing time. Closing time. Hindi yan eh.
Hindi ba yan? GG.
Basta may baba yun eh.
Baba.
May tinutugtog tayo dati lagi natin kino-closing.
Alis ka
Bye-bye.
na. Guys, ano ba yung kinakanta namin na yun?
Yung pinag-closing natin eh.
Hindi ko na matandaan.
Meron eh kasi tagal mo nakalimutan yung password mo eh.
Game.
Paano gagalingan kayo, Joy? Uy, magbasa ka, mag-review ka. Yun ang tamang gagawin. Hi, Edna Lou. Hi, kayo, Joy and Sir Ogag. May pasok ba o bakasyon?
College meron.
College meron.
Ay, kalimutan ko.
What's up, Kurt?
Baba yung pang-closing natin lagi.
Guys, ano ba yun? Kinakanta daw namin. Baka naman Dela Effect ka.
Hindi, meron tayong kino-closing.
Meron.
Thank you, nag-live ka. Ay, Glads. Thank you din, nandito ka.
Game.
Fine to. Ano ba yun, guys? Yung kinakanta daw namin? Lifetime. Pagpa-end na. There is a lifetime waiting for us.
Good sa akin.
Uy, paring JD, oh.
Okay.
Bakika, what's up?